Blessings everyone, blessings again. Yes, one more time on the farm, just taking it nice and easy. It's a joy just watching all these tobacco grow. So I'm here right now, just watching, chilling on the farm. It's very nice. It's a warm weather today, nice climate in St. Elizabeth. So, and tobacco, it love warm weather and stuff. It don't love too much rain, but tobacco love warm weather. This kind of tobacco, I think this one, them call it cow tongue. It's the name of the tobacco. It's very broad and stuff. It has some huge leaf, very huge, right? Just take a good look. And for you to get some leaves like these, you have right here, they have a special like in the bud. So when you bud it, you're gonna spread more wider and give you some huge leaves, right? So normally I always bud my tobacco at an early stage. Look at this one right here. Take a good look right here. This is the main bud right here. So when I pop it right off right here, it's gonna leave an empty space in the middle right there. So it's gonna make the tobacco them spread more wider, have some bigger growth of tobacco, right? So we call this budding. So this is the way how we grow tobacco in St. Elizabeth. All over the world, they grow tobacco different. But this is how I do it in St. Elizabeth. So I am farming tobacco from like about 15 years. 15 years I'm farming tobacco back and forth. Sometimes it's a bit slow at times, and normally the crop take like about 3 months before harvest and stuff. Sometimes it's slow and sometimes it's move fast. It depends upon the climate and the time. But you don't need as much water for it to grow. Okay? So look at this one right here. This is the tobacco seed. This is what we use like to harvest and stuff. We save all the seed so we can have a next crop. Okay? This is a very healthy one. Very healthy. And see, you have a next like a small tobacco growing in here, like a next. So it's very important to break them out because this can slow down the growth of the tobacco leaves, right? So you have to break out those small stems so it can give you a powerful growth. Well, it's a very cool evening now in St. Elizabeth. Very cool evening. Very cool evening. This is the next one again. We have to do some budding right here. Just take a good look right here. This is what we call budding. So I enjoy planting tobacco. So have a blessed day. See you around soon with my next video. Just subscribe. Thank you all.